Once upon a time in a quaint little town, there lived a charming cat named Lulu. Lulu was not just any ordinary cat. She had a soft coat of cream-colored fur that shimmered in the sunlight and big, curious green eyes that sparkled with mischief. But what made Lulu truly special was her adventurous spirit and her love for exploration. Lulu lived with a kindly elderly woman named Mrs. Thompson, who adored her furry companion. Every day, as soon as the sun peeked through the curtains, Lulu would stretch, yawn, and meow for breakfast. After her meal, she would stand by the door, her tail flicking with excitement, eager to explore the world outside. One sunny morning, Lulu decided to venture farther than ever before. She trotted down the garden path, through the picket fence, and into the vibrant world beyond. There were butterflies fluttering in the breeze, birds chirping melodiously, and flowers swaying gently in the wind. Each new sight filled her with wonder. As she wandered through the town, Lulu made friends with many of the local creatures. She met Oliver, the wise old owl who lived in a large oak tree, and Bella, the friendly dog who loved to chase her tail. They shared stories of their adventures and dreams, and Lulu felt a sense of belonging. One day, while exploring a narrow alleyway, Lulu stumbled upon a hidden garden overgrown with weeds and wildflowers. It was a beautiful secret place, but it looked sad and neglected. Lulu felt a tug at her heart. She wanted to help the garden thrive. With her new friends by her side, they devised a plan. Lulu and Bella gathered seeds, while Oliver flew high above to gather sunlight for the garden. They worked tirelessly, digging, planting, and watering the flowers. As days turned into weeks, their hard work paid off. The garden bloomed with vibrant colors, attracting butterflies and hummingbirds. It became a place of joy and laughter, a sanctuary for all the animals of the town. News of the beautiful garden spread, and soon townsfolk began to visit. They marveled at the transformation and felt the warmth of the community spirit. Children played among the flowers, and families gathered for picnics. The hidden garden became a beloved gathering spot, all thanks to Lulu and her friends. Mrs. Thompson would often visit the garden with Lulu, who would prance around proudly, knowing she had made a difference. The adventure had brought not just beauty to the neglected space, but had also created a bond among the animals and the people of the town. As the seasons changed, Lulu continued to explore, always coming back to her favorite garden, where she felt at home. With her adventurous heart and compassionate spirit, Lulu the cat became a legend in the town, reminding everyone of the magic that happens when you lend a paw to help others and embrace the adventure of life. And so Lulu lived happily, surrounded by friends, love, and endless adventures.